Hello guys, welcome to CAD 180 AutoCAD. So first of all, if you are not subscribed till now, then go to my page and subscribe. And please visit cat180.com, that's the official website. And today we are going to discuss about the polyline, how you can draw a polyline and the edit portion of polyline. So let's start. So first of all, starting with the polyline, what is polyline? You have to know that. Okay, so if I enter L, sorry, if I enter L, then you have a line, right now. So you have a line of individually partitions, you can see. Okay, but when you just going to make a polyline, so go to the PL, you can see the P line. So it's P line is referred to the polyline. Enter. If you make the similar drawing, right, so when you just click on it, you can say the total structure is selected. So mainly the polyline is the line which has no broken, okay, no broken parts, or you can say the partitions is not there. But if you are just going in a line condition, or you can see the whole structure is divided in some partitions. Okay, so yes, there have some issue, and we also recover it from that line to the polyline. So how you can convert the line to a polyline and a polyline to a line? So a line which is partly divided in some points or some lines is jointed to a line, that's called a polyline. And a polyline, if you are breaking the polyline and you just converted it in line, so it makes that you have to make a partition of that polylines, right? So first of all, we're just going to join, because the partition of the line, what we can draw first, we just make it and convert it to the polyline. So right now, join, J for join, enter. You have to select the whole body. Okay, now then enter. Now you can see it's simple, right? Now you just make it happen whatever shape and size you want to give to your drawing, you can, right? And now if you are going to talk about the polyline and how it just converted in a broken line, right? So there's a simple thing. What you should do, you have the X for explode. Okay, enter. Just save. You can see it's divided in some partition, right? So this is the main portion of the polyline. So now you can edit the polyline also. So how you can edit that? You having a line polyline is this. If you have a polyline, right, so you have to escape. You have a polyline here, polyline here, P E for poly edit, enter, M, enter, right? So you're having a, okay. So we have to create, convert line arc spline to polyline. You can see in a comment box you have asking for the convert line arc or spline. Spline means a line which is not straight, right? So it's having a curved portion and having not similar or not a parallel to the line. So it's a spline. Arc you already know. Converted lines means the line you just I show you, that's the polyline converted in a line. So that's portion. Okay. So if you have a yes, right. So you have a lots of options in there, right? So it's a join. So what we going to do if you are joined to that polyline or broken line, so it will join to the whole structure, right? So we have a J, right? So now we have a PE, and you have a join, you have a width, you can change the width of the line, you can, okay, just click here and you can see the point here, and you have to just 0.02, right? So let's see, wait, 0.20, enter. Okay, I have to select first, right? You have to select it. Then you have a word physical for 7.20 at this case. You can see the whole outer body of the line is just converted in the width. Okay, its width, first of all its width is a 0.1 or 0 tolerance, but after that I putting the value of width, so it converted it the width actual value now. Okay, if you have the undo button for previously whatever you do that, okay, so here, and lots of options there. If you want to the spline, you can see the spline. So the spline portion I come later, and I'll discuss it. It's a big chapter, or you can see a big uh, portion in AutoCAD, so I will just doing later, right? So now it's a edit vertex. If you have a vertex, you should edit that from there. Reverse and decurve. So it is having a curve, right? So if you are going to decurve, so it's transformed in the previous one, right? So this is the main portion of polyline, okay. And I just show you the decurve portion also, and the spline and the width, right? So it's mainly the job is around the width, spline and decurve, and the remains the other thing is just for the practice. If you are need a practice, and if you are just give the time in AutoCAD, so I think you might be better in AutoCAD, right? So that's all my friends, and if you like my video, then please subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share with your friends, and please visit cat180.com. It's the official website. So bye bye.